everyone, welcome to the next part of our journey. The primate kingdom houses several species of attractive monkeys, including lion-tailed macaques, potas monkeys, colobus monkeys, brown capuchins, Sotheby's macaques, and Duke langurs. Watch animals triumph against rainforest destruction in our 1,600-seater amphitheater. Our Rainforest Fights Back show features Kai, the rainforest princess, ring-tailed lemurs, a spider monkey, and orang-utans pit their survival skills against Babush the villain. Now look out for the biggest land animal on the planet, at the elephants of Asia. Take a walk on the special elevated walkways. They'll keep you out from under the elephant's big feet. Check your Singapore Zoo map for our elephants at work and play show times. You can get to the elephants of Asia by alighting at the next stop.